Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway Stories, Season 2, Episode 4, The Inspector. It was a normal evening on the island of Sodor, and everyone was doing their jobs, not knowing what's going to happen. The orange diesel chuffed with a scrapped engine and some trucks. "When is something cool actually going to happen?" said Henry. "I don't know," said Thomas. As the people went into Clarabelle, Thomas chuffed and chuffed. He started his night takeout for the people on the train. And Gordon had to stay there for a while. Yeah, and Edward was about to go, pulling the candy train. "See y'all later," said Edward. And they chuffed and chuffed and chuffed. But Henry just stayed there. And he started to go too. Edward picked up the other people and chuffed as well. Thomas was really getting sleepy, so he chuffed to the tunnel near Cranky and went there and fell asleep. And Edward kept going. Timothy was taking a good rest too. Edward couldn't control himself. James didn't know either, so he crashed through the buffers. The turntable turned that way. Henry put on his brakes because it was on a different switch point. Then but the cake went flying. And it crashed right into Nafford Station. "Hey, what is going on out here?" "Sorry, sir. We have to get you repaired. James, you can get up. Okay. And the rest of you, come on." James let go of his wheels. "Okay. And Edward, come on." "Okay." Then Henry wouldn't keep going with his journey. Edward was at the works, and it gotta be shut because he ever wants to make Edward safe. Please don't take this as a joke. Please, I didn't know where to put Edward. Please don't hate me. The next day, there's an inspector coming, so be on your best behavior, or he's gonna try to bomb this place, or tsunami will hit us. Okay, sir, said Henry. Okay, sir, said James. Okay, sir, said Gordon. Okay, sir, said Thomas, right in the tunnel over there. And he left as the inspector came. Hey, everybody, my name is Woody. Hello, Woody. Hello. Nice to meet you. And I'm here to check on this railway, if you don't mind me doing that. So, what engine do you want me to start off with? Me. Okay, everyone settle down, or else I'll give this island a 0. Aww. Okay. Start with you, the big green one. Well, my name is Henry. My number is 3, and I'm green, and I'm kind of big. And I pull freight, sometimes express cars, and all of that stuff. Bravo! I'll give you a 4 out of 10. Okay, I'm fine with that. Okay, who's next? Me. Okay, what about you, the small blue one? No. My name is 98462. I'm kind of a little devious, don't mind about that. And I just came to this railway recently, and I'm kind of devious. I'll give you 2 out of 10. Who's next? Me. Okay, what about you? That other blue one. My name is Thomas. I'm the number 1 engine on this railway. I'm blue. And I got in a fight with a ghost train recently on Halloween a month ago. Okay. And I just want to say, that you're a good inspector. Thank you. And I want to say, I'm a number 1 engine and I'm blue. Okay, wait, what kind of train are you? An E2 class steam locomotive. E2 class. Okay, I'll give you 8 out of 10. And 8 out of 10. Settle down. I might go on you again. Okay. Thank you, sir. Who's next? Me. Man. I don't know who was that, but who cares? Okay, red one. Okay. My name is James, and I'm red, and my number is 5. And do you think people like my paint? Because I'm always a good engine with red paint. And I pull trucks and express cars. Wait, did I check on Thomas again? Let me check on him. Oh yeah, I pull Annie and Clarabelle trucks and express cars. I don't pull express cars that much. Okay. Back to you. I pull trucks and express cars most of the time. Okay, I'll give you 5 out of 10. Okay, I'm decent with that. Okay, who's next? Me. Okay, big blue one. My name is Gordon. I'm a Blue Express train, as you can see. I'm pulling the Express right now, and I'm pretty big and stuff. My paint is blue. My number is 4, and most of the time I pull trucks. Isn't it fun, huh? Hey! And that's it. Okay, I'll give you 7 out of 10. Okay, I'm not fine with that. Okay, who's next? Okay, you orange and diesel. I'm orange and my number is 94, and I pull trucks all the time, and I pull them during day and night. Bravo. I'll give you 2 out of 10. Okay, next one, you. My name is Toxic Ted. I'm toxic. I don't have a number though, but I have acid in me. And I have 3 eyes and unbrushed teeth for a long time, and I'm kind of cool. I have cockroaches as my friends, and yeah, I'll give you a 1 out of 10. That guy's weird. Totally true. Okay, who's next? Me. Okay, you, green one. My name is Percy. I pull the mail at night, and I'm friends with Thomas, Toby, and all of the others. Okay, I'll give you a 2 out of 10. Okay, I'm chill with that. I'm chill. Okay, who's next? Me. Okay, you. My name is Timothy. I work at the quarry or pool coaches a lot of times. By the way, the core is coming out very soon. See you. And yeah, I'm blue. Okay, we'll give you a another 3 out of 10. Okay, who's next? Me. Okay. I'm a tram engine, and I pull coach, and sometimes I pull trucks and cars. The first 10 out of 10. Woo! Okay, everyone else come in. Wow, only you? No, you. No, you gotta go to the show to meet the other ones. Okay. Okay, start off now. My name is I can't remember, Fred, and my number, I don't know where it is. It's 13, and I work with trucks night and until morning. Okay, I'll give you a 11 out of 10. Okay. Who's next? Me! Whoa, where do you come from? I'm a crane engine named Kevin, and I work at the steam works where I fix trains if they are hurt or derailed or even crashed. Okay, we'll give you a 12 out of 10 because of that. Okay, we're going to the other show. Let's go! Okay, last time. Who's going first? Me. My name is Andrew, and I pull expresses with my twin, and yeah, that's it. Okay, 13 out of 10. Me, my name is, my name is Mick, and I pull trucks all the time, and I hate it. Okay, yeah, I'm 14 out of 10. That guy's always weird. Okay, you. My name is, Alvin, and I pull coach with my express cars with my twin, and yeah, that's it. Okay, 15 out of 10. You. My name is Robert. My paint is red, pinkish, and my number is 19, and I pull trucks and express cars most of the time. First out of 16 out of 10. Okay, this railway gets a 10 out of a 10! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Okay, so if you want more Times with Friends Wooden Railway Stories episodes, like and subscribe, hit the notifications on, and you pick what it should be about. Okay? Put them in the comments below, and or even on my next community page. Alright, see y'all later. Goodbye!